Hi, this is Backup Manager, a free open-source, self-hosted web UI for scheduling databases backups from Docker containers. Instead of writing scripts, connecting to databases manually, or installing pgdump on your servers, you just deploy this app, point it at your containers, and it handles the rest. Let me show how it works. These are backup tasks. Each task runs on a schedule, either a cron expression or a fixed interval. You can see the status, next run time, and run any task manually right from this list. Backup files are stored on the host. They can also be automatically uploaded to any S3 compatible storages, AWS, MiniO, Yandex Cloud, etc. The app supports PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB. Before creating a backup task, you need a Docker socket, a connection to a Docker host. The local socket is added automatically, so deploy on the same host as your databases and you're ready to go. For remote servers, click Add the sockets and enter your SSH credentials. Creating a task is a short wizard. First, select the Docker socket. Let's use local socket. Then, pick the container with your database. The app detects running database containers automatically. Select the database. You can see the size here, useful to estimate backup time and disk space. Configure the schedule, cron for persist timing, or a fixed delay, 1 hour minimum up to week. Set how many backup files to keep. When the limit is reached, the oldest file is deleted automatically. Compression is enabled by default. Backups are stored as gzip. You can also disable S3 upload per task if needed. On last step, you can change default name, review the summary, and confirm. Task is created. We can run it immediately. Let's go to the task page. This is the task page. You can see all the settings. Run the backup manually. Disable or re-enable the task, and edit the configuration without recreating it. Below is the backup history, status, duration, file size. Click any record for detail including the local file path and the S3 key. Also, you can see error messages on error status. One note: if you recreated a container with the Docker Compose down and up, the app will automatically resolve the new container ID by name. No manual update needed. In settings, you can configure the integrations, email notifications on success or failure, SMTP, multiple recipients. You can test the connection before saving. S3 upload works with AWS, MiniO, Yandex Cloud, or any S3 compatible services. Heartbeat sends periodic pings to an uptime monitoring service, such as healthchecks.io or similar. If the app goes down, you'll get an alert or can configure your own fallback pipeline. The integration status is visible in the sidebar at all times and rechecked automatically every 15 minutes. That's the core of the application. It's early stage, tested on databases up to 500 GB. Limits haven't been fully benchmarked, but it handles multiple concurrent backups without issues. What's coming next? Restore from backup throughout the UI, backup encryption, webhook notifications, and MongoDB support. If this looks useful, give it a star on GitHub or open an issue if something doesn't work. Real-world testing and feedbacks is the best way to help the project grow. Thank you for watching.